Okay, so today's session we are going to see how to create a student mark sheet. So I've already merged in center, right? How to create a student mark sheet, and here I take serial number, student ID, name, subjects. Like I will take here math, English. Sorry, caps lock is on. English, science. Okay. How many number of subject you guys want? You can take it, right? Suppose here I take a total. Here person, and here I will take pass and fail. Okay, one is extra, so not an issue. I will merge it again. I'll touch and again I will put it the border. Alternate HVA. Here we take a serial number. I give it one and simple drag it. Field series serial number done. Then student ID like S001. I will simple drag it this also. Here name like Amit, Anshu, Pooja, Ankit. After that, I want to fill the marks by entire subject. Okay. So what we have to do, we have to use the formula equals to rand between RAND, rand between top. You can see bottom to top. Okay. So bottom suppose I take 45, comma top suppose I want till 80. Means 45 to 80. Between it will fill the marks. Okay. Close the bracket. Enter. After that simply you have to drag it till subject and drag it bottom. That's it. Here what happened is it will going to fluctuate. Okay. Here numbers, it will fluctuate. So what we have to do, simple select this, copy, again right click, and you can see paste option, values. In paste option, you will see the values 1, 2, 3 is mentioned. Simple click on this, it is fixed now. Otherwise, once you make a total, it will fluctuate. Again, I will make a total. Like in previous, I've already taught you guys how to make a total equal sum, right? By short key, can also use alternate equals to, we make a sum and simply you drag it. And here percent equals to total divided by number of subject, right? Because each subject 100 marks. So suppose 3, so 3 into 100, 300, right? So divide how many subjects we have? 1, 2, 3. Suppose we have 4, so 4 and simple drag it. Okay. This way, if you make percentage, we get the same like equals to here Amit marks, I mean 226, 226, right? Multiply by 100 and divided by 300, right? 300. Enter. So see, same answer will be 75.33, 75.33. Because here 0 so 0 will cancel, only 3 will left, right? So that's why you can write here total divided by number of subject. Hmm. After that, we have to make it pass and fail equals to if. Obviously, pass and fail we declare with the based on the percentage, right? So we can set any percentage like a person marks greater than a percentage greater than 50, percentage greater than 35, whatever criteria. So equals to logic test. A percentage greater than equals to, suppose I given here 50, comma, value if true, double quotation pass, again close it bracket, give the comma, value false, so fail, double quotation, fail. Close the bracket, enter. Simple drag it. So all are passed because everybody greater than 50%, right? You can see the percentage here. So I want to change like here. Suppose I change the number. So you can see 44 fail. Okay. As per the condition. So this is where you can check pass and fail. So pass and fail always declare based on the condition. Okay. So always we check the condition based on the percentage. If your percentage is greater than 50, pass, otherwise fail. So this is where you can create the student mark sheet. Okay. Mhm.